Looking for a lightweight sport ATV tire that delivers excellent traction, braking control, and confidence-inspiring handling? The Ocelot P322 ATV tire is engineered to provide strong stopping power, predictable drift characteristics, and reliable hookup across ATV tracks in varied off-road terrain. A key advantage of the P322 is its broad footprint, combined with an expansive tread layout. That larger contact patch helps the tire float atop loamy terrain, while also improving drive out of corners and maintaining confidence through aggressive turns. Additionally, the wider stance contributes to a more balanced and stable feel, giving riders better confidence at higher speeds and during quick directional changes. The standalone tread blocks feature dimpled knobs that create additional biting edges for impressive forward drive and corner traction. Cutouts within the lugs reduce rotating mass, helping transfer power more efficiently for quicker response and improved acceleration. The combination of multiple tread elements and evenly spaced knobs helps deliver a smoother and quieter ride. Designed with a non-directional pattern, the P322 performs well in a variety of environments while helping clear loose dirt and debris to maintain dependable performance. The Ocelot P322 comes in multiple sizes from 16 by 8-7 up to 22 by 11-10 to fit a wide range of sport quads. Riders can also choose between lightweight 2-ply versions for maximum responsiveness and faster acceleration, or heavy-duty 4-ply options for added toughness and tire longevity. If you want a sport ATV tire with precise cornering manners, impressive hookup, smooth operation, and durable construction, the Ocelot P322 is ready for your next ride. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.